It's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you adore.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. In this video, as promised, I'm going to show you my stamping plate collection. I have a lot of them, y'all, so sit back and relax while we go through these little booklets. So let's start with my smallest booklet. This is by that company that I'm always telling you about. It's kind of like Queen, but it starts with a P, and I get a lot of things from them, so let's make our way through. And a lot of these you will have seen in my videos. Feel free to pause and screenshot if you see one that you would like to see me do a design with. Tag me in it and I will definitely do that. This one has, oh, Hello Kitty. And a lot of these are really old. I really need to take them all out and re-clean them all. And some of them, as you can see, have never been used, and some of them have been used to the max. And that's it in that booklet. Now these are my bigger booklets by that same company. And all of the stamps in here are not by that company. That's just where the book comes from. So it's, you know, multiple stamp companies inside of here, but majority of them are from this company. And like I said, some of these have never been used, still have the little blue plastic on it. So I hope you guys can see them. If I took every single one out, we will be here all day. I have so many. So this will be the fastest way that I can show them to you. This is great for Valentine's Day. And what I do whenever I have like a holiday or a design or something in mind, I just take these books out and just flip through and pull out the ones that I feel will go with that occasion. And that's what I did for my Christmas nails. I just pulled out all of my stamps that had presents and things on them, Christmas trees, all of that. Pull those out and then, you know, piece my design together. So down in the comments, let me know how many stamping plates I have And if you put the correct number, you will be entered for a prize. If you can tell me how many stamping plates I showed you in this video. If you missed the video where I organized my nail area, definitely check that video out, and check the video out where I swatched all of my dip powders. I am so happy that I went ahead and swatched them so that I can just have them, and whenever I get a new color, I can just swatch that one color. And that's it for this book. Back to some smaller books. These are the longer plates. This one I got from Amazon. So let me turn these kind of sideways. Very spacious. My newest ones are the longer plates. And as you can see with the stamping, the design options are just limitless. There is literally a plate for everything. And this one is upside down. I think I started putting them in, yeah. So this is number 10, and this is number 11. This is number 13, 14, and 15. So I don't know, that's kind of interesting. I don't know where number 12 is. So this is my Maniology case. And I hope you guys can see these. Like I said, I need to clean these a lot better. Turn this around. So with me being a teacher, of course I had to get the class utensils and all that kind of stuff. These plates came from Amazon and they are clear, really hard to see them. I'm gonna try to make sure y'all can see them. Got some designs and a lot of different things. I haven't used these either. I think I used like one of these. Got some animal prints and stuff. And that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video digging into my stamping collection. Like I told you guys, I have a lot of stamping plates, so definitely leave me a comment below. Let me know how many plates I have and you will be entered into a giveaway. I hope y'all have a blessed day. Always remember to keep God first, family second, and career third. And guess what, y'all? It's a wrap. I will see y'all in the next video.
Choose wrong what you adore. It's a one-stop shop. It's a wrap. Yeah, we do that. Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and just sit back.